Welcome to our channel. Here is one more video on the most beautiful city of Europe. Vienna. Austria's imperial capital offers a unique blend of imperial traditions and stunning modern architecture. It is famous for its cultural events, imperial sites, coffee houses, cozy wine taverns, and the very special Viennese charm. Vienna is perfectly located, in the heart of Europe, only a stone's throw from several major European cities. With a busy cultural calendar and numerous sites, Vienna is clearly a year-round destination. Special summer festivals and events, like open-air cinemas, as well as traditional winter activities, such as ice skating at the City Hall Park and Christmas markets, are the perfect addition to the vast offer of concerts, plays and opera performances at Vienna's famous theaters and opera houses. Things to do in Vienna. Wine in Vienna. No other country can lay claim to so much viticulture and wine-related culture in its capital city. Grapes were cultivated in Vienna as early as 1132 AD. Viennese wine is now counted among the classic wines of the world. There are 630 producers, that's one wine producer per 2,500 persons. Staatsoper. Vienna's foremost opera and ballet venue, the Neo-Renaissance Staatsoper, is one of the finest concert halls in the world. Even if you can't get tickets to see a tenor hitting the high notes, you can discover its architectural brilliance and musical genius on a 40-minute guided tour. The Museums Cartier. The Museums Cartier is a remarkable ensemble of museums, cafes, restaurants and bars inside former imperial stables designed by Fischer von Erlach. This breeding ground of Viennese cultural life is the perfect place to hang out and watch or meet people on warm evenings. Stephansdom Cathedral. Vienna's Gothic masterpiece Stephansdom, or Steffel, Little Stephen, as it's ironically nicknamed, is Vienna's pride and joy. A church has stood here since the 12th century, and reminders of this are the Romanesque Risentor, Giant Gate, and Hidden Termi, Towers of the Heathens. Kaiserliche Schatzkammer Museum. The Hofburg's Kaiserliche Schatzkammer contains secular and ecclesiastical treasures, including devotional images and altars, particularly from the Baroque era, of priceless value and splendor. The sheer wealth of this collection of crown jewels is staggering. Schloss Belvedere Palace. A masterpiece of total art, Schloss Belvedere is one of the world's finest Baroque palaces. It was built for the brilliant military strategist Prince Eugene of Savoy, conqueror of the Turks in 1718. Hofburg Palace. Nothing symbolizes Austria's resplendent cultural heritage more than its Hofburg, home base of the Habsburgs from 1273 to 1918. The Hofburg owes its size and architectural diversity to plain old one-upmanship, New sections were added by the new rulers, including the early Baroque Leopold wing, the 16th century Amalia wing, the 18th century Imperial Chancery wing and the Gothic Burgkapelle, Royal Chapel. Schloss Schönbrunn Palace. The Habsburgs' opulent summer palace is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Of its 1441 rooms, 40 are open to the public. The Imperial Tour takes you into 22 of these, including the private apartments of Franz Joseph and Sisi. Kunsthistorisches Museum. A highlight of any trip to Vienna is a visit to the Kunsthistorisches Museum Vienna, brimming with works by Europe's finest painters, sculptors and artisans. Set within a neoclassical building that rivals the art it contains, the museum's collections span classical Rome to Egypt and the Renaissance. Kursalon Vienna, Johann Strauss and Mozart concert. Enjoy an evening of Viennese classical music during a performance at the Kursalon Vienna Concert Hall. Listen to renowned works from Mozart and Strauss in a show complete with opera singers, ballet dancers, piano concertos and more. Settle into your seat and enjoy the very spot where the waltz was made famous in the 19th century. Innere Stadt of Vienna. The very central point of Innere Stadt is the famous St. Stephen's Cathedral, Stephansdom, perhaps the most recognizable symbol of Vienna. From there, many of Vienna's most famous streets expand in every direction, including Graben and Kantner Strasse. The center is largely pedestrianized, and the remainder of streets open to traffic are mostly reserved for bus and taxi traffic. Driving around is an intricate affair and is best avoided. I hope you must have liked this video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks and goodbye.